Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or replace a song on your Instagram post. First thing first, let's launch the Instagram app. Let's create a post. Let's click on the lower middle side of the screen and let's click on the plus sign, okay? Then let's pick content that we're gonna publish. Let's publish this thumbnail over here. Let's click next. Now we're going to edit a song on the top middle of the corner. You can add just clicking on the note sign over here. Okay, so for example, let's pick something, something boring, some instrumental, right? Then you click done, right? After we pick up the song, now we can move on, right? We can move on to the last page where we can actually post. But there you have it. We decide to change the song. How are we gonna go about it? Well, simply you have to scroll down. You do not have to go back. I repeat, you do not. All we gotta do is to scroll down. This is the song we selected. You just press the X, and here you can actually select a brand new song. You don't have to go back. Again, you select over here. You pick the new song, right? And when you're ready with the new song, then you click share. This is how you remove a song and replace the song on your Instagram post from the same page. You don't have to move forward or backward. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.